Alright, so right now we're gonna look into a trade breakdown. So நான் Friday எடுத்த ட்ரேடை ஏன் எடுத்தேன் அப்படின்ற ஒரு breakdown தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். So let's jump onto the charts. This is Nasdaq. So Friday, as soon as I jumped onto the charts, I noticed that we were trading inside this particular daily busy. Okay, wow. So this is what I noticed on the higher time frame, and then I jumped really quick on the 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame kulla vandadum, what did I notice? I noticed this particular LRLR. What is LRLR? LRLR is basically stands for low resistance liquidity run. In simpler terms, it's just a trend line. So if you look at it, you can see ஒரு பக்கா trend line தெரியும். Like if I have to draw it properly, see, this is your trend line. Okay, wow. So I saw this, and then I was in front of the charts at somewhere around 9:15, I guess. So yeah, right at this line is when I came into the charts. And then what did I also notice was this relative equal highs. So I also noticed this. So this became our buy side, but I was not interested in longing the market. Yeah, அப்படின்னா see, when I looked into this LRLR and kanla patruche, and on top of that, if I just measure it from here to the buy side, see, we are trading in the premium range of this particular price leg, and on top of that, we were trading on the premium of this particular parent price swing. So it really doesn't make any bit of sense for me to long it in a premium market, right? So I was favoring this LRLR, and then I was just simply looking for shorts. So market open happened. Market open was at 9:30. Yeah, it's here. Beautiful. So market open was at 9:30. This is my LRLR. And then what else did I notice? This price action was trash. Why do I say that this price action is trash? Abdinaka. See, in the இடத்துல we have a bullish fair value gap. That's called as busy, right? So we were respecting this bullish fair value gap, and on top of that, we broke down here. So we basically displaced here, and we never took any relative equal lows. So if I look here, these were my sell side. Like this was my minor sell side for the price swing to the downside. ஏன் இது sell side na 8:30 openக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க nearest swing low was this, and then we were just putting new equal lows, relative equal lows on top of this. We never swept any sort of liquidity. We were just generating liquidity. We all should understand that market moves for only three reasons, in my opinion. One is to generate liquidity. The other one is to hunt liquidity, and then the other one is to rebalance inefficiencies or rebalance to equilibrium. Okay, well, so in the moonu vishathukkaga da market moves. That's what I believe in. So what did we do here? We were just generating liquidity here. Sell stop, sell side, sell side, sell side, buy side, sell side, buy side, sell side. So we were just generating a lot of liquidity here. Adanal I was not interested, because in the particular displacement should have ran this, but we didn't. Okay, well, and on top of that, what did I notice was I also noticed this particular kutti fair value gap, and at least it pulled back into this fair value gap, which was very, very good, and it should have displaced this. Adume panalla, we were just holding it, and then we again inversed it, and we were just chopping inside this range. So I was just observing the market, and right when I saw this particular part being printed, I also happened to see ES oda paakumbodhu there was an SMT here. So basically an SMT came in here. So basically in the part la print agumode, what did I notice? Now I noticed an LRLR here. So this is also low resistance liquidity run. So you can see a beautiful trend run here. Not super clean, but yeah, a little bit of clean, right? And then this LRLR was inside this SIBI, and then this SIBI in the LRLR has relative equal highs. So yeah, so that itself is like, see, look at it. Look how price is telling me where it wants to go. It came up. Now, inga paakumbodhu, it was just chopping. So I was simply observing. The inverse panite, we came back up. We took this sell side. We took this buy side. which was LRLR, and then we went inside this particular inefficiency, which is also a BPR, BPR here. So we went back into this BPR, and then we turtle souped the relative equal highs, and then we started coming down. So I'm not gonna say இங்கேயே நான் வந்து ஷார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். It'd be really nice if I had shorted this, but unfortunately I didn't, because I wanted more confirmation to that. I was just sitting on it. So after sweeping this, what did I notice was, I noticed this particular bullish fair value gap getting ran through. This was so big. Like, this one candle is like what, 50 points. So இங்கே நான் என்டர் பண்ண, இங்கே நான் என் ஃபுல் பொசிஷனில் என்டர் பண்ணனாக்கா, probably the stop has to be here, and yeah, my target is like 100 points, but why should I trade a 1:2? So அதுக்கு நான் சும்மாவே இருக்கலாம்ல. So that's my opinion. I don't trade 1:2s. So அதனால what did I do was, I entered right here after this candle was printed, and I have a solid reason for that as well, because you'll never know whether the market will come back up and rebalance it or not. So I accepted this 40-point risk on a very, very, very small position. Like, one mini 40 points is like hardly maybe $750 or something like that, right? So I accepted the risk, and then I added my first short position with my stop loss being there at 40 points. And again, my target was way down. I wouldn't have taken the sell side. I mean, I wouldn't have even taken partial here. So I was noticing the market as it came higher. So மேலே வந்து it closed right at this particular inverse. மேலே close ஆகலை. So that is again a confirmation that I'm on the right side of the market. So as soon as I noticed that, I also noticed this. In the particular bullish fair value gap, நம்ம invest பண்ணிட்டோம். So what does it tell me? Okay, I am on the right side of the market அப்படின்ட்டு I understood, because that's what the price tells me. I've seen this happen so many fucking times. And what did I do? I started adding my position. My first entry was at 554 something, and then I started layering in. I started putting in bigger size. So na bigger size poda enoda average entry came up, and then I brought my stop all the way down here. Yena, this is again an inverse, and then this is again a breakaway gap. Breakaway gap, if you look at it, is a BPR. So again, lot of PDR is nested in the same thing. So I had my stop not here and not here, right on top of this midpoint, because if I'm correct, it should not even come there to the midpoint. So this was my final entry. Like, inga potu na add pannadanaala it came in here, and this was my first take profit. Like, so this was my first partial. This is where I took my first partial. Where is it? Yeah, this is my first partial, and then my second partial was at a 15-minute. Let's see. Oh, where the fuck is that? Yeah, my second partial was right here. Relative equal lows again. Another sell side, solid sell side. So this was the trade, and so this was the trade. I took it with my Discord, and everybody took it. So yeah, it was a beautiful trade. Again, 1:8. Now in short print, I would have gotten a better risk to reward, or maybe if I had noticed this turtle soup, I would have gotten a better risk to reward as well. But nevertheless, no complaints. I took what market told me. Like, en kanukku enna pattucho அதை நான் எடுத்தேன், and at the end of the day, I'm profitable, right? So that's all that matters. It really doesn't matter whether I take 1:20 or 1:30 or just 1:3. At the end of the day, if I make money, I'm happy with it. And I also called this out live on my Discord. People took it, and everyone is happy. That's how we closed the fucking week. Let's go. Yeah. So this is the trade breakdown. So if you like this video, feel free to hit the subscribe button. I'm planning to put a little bit more of trade breakdown, so that எல்லாருக்கும் வந்து இது புரியும், எப்படி நம்ம ட்ரேட் பண்ணுறது தெரியும் அப்படின்ட்டு. But yeah, if I see a good response, then obviously I'll be putting in more videos like this, or else I don't know, I'll just be trading, just with my Discord. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and hope you have a great weekend. Okay, we are on Monday, so today is a bank holiday, so I don't think so anyone should be trading. So it's a long weekend. I'd say risk management is everything. Risk safely and stay alive to trade another day. That's all I'd be saying. Have a good one, boys.